What if there were better ways to optimize your app development costs? Learn about the typical costs and how to manage them more efficiently. Like a manufacturing factory, a software as a service company must minimize costs while producing high-quality software products efficiently and effectively. Your main expenses include software developers, tools, and infrastructure, aiming for world-class design and rapid, scalable production. Exploring alternative production methods could lead to better design features and lower costs. Consider labor expenses, including salaries, benefits, and the total cost of employing a software engineer, which can be significantly reduced through outsourcing. Best-in-class design is crucial, with aspects like UX/UI, database architecture, and security needing specialized skills, accessible via outsourcing. Agility in development allows for rapid adaptation to market changes, achievable through flexible outsourcing partnerships. Scalability is vital, enabling adjustments in software production without being hindered by staffing limitations, a benefit of outsourcing. Outsourcing to specialized software development companies can offer a scalable, skilled workforce rapidly and cost-effectively. SaaS providers face unique cost management challenges, magnified by the industry's nature, requiring careful labor and design quality management. Effective software development outsourcing can be a strategic solution for providers, offering cost benefits and access to global talent. Outsourcing enables companies to quickly adapt to market changes and manage software development capacity efficiently. Accelerance connects providers with certified software companies worldwide, offering specialized skills for better cost management and efficiency. In summary, addressing the typical development costs through strategic outsourcing can enhance efficiency, scalability, and market responsiveness.